So, you might be wondering how to start using the Lotus Lantern app and what the basic controls actually do. Don't worry, it's pretty simple once you connect your lights the right way. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Install the Lotus Lantern app. First things first, you need the app. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Lotus Lantern. Download and install it, then tap Open. Step 2. Allow permissions so the app can find your lights. Now, when you open the app for the first time, it will ask for permissions. This is normal because Lotus Lantern needs access to things like Bluetooth, nearby devices, location on some phones. Now tapping and allow, so the app can detect your LED strip or controller. If it asks you to enable Bluetooth, turn it on. Step 3. Add or load your device. Now look at the top left corner and tap the three-line menu icon. Go into Devices. Now tap Reload or Refresh. At this point, Lotus Lantern will scan and automatically connect to your LED device if it's powered on. So make sure your LED strip is plugged in, the controller is on, your phone is near the lights. Once the device shows up, you're connected. Step 4. Learn the main tabs at the bottom. Now, the main controls in Lotus Lantern are on the bottom. You'll usually see a few tabs like Adjust. This is where you control the main color. You'll see a color wheel drag around it to select any color. You'll also see brightness controls, and in some versions, preset colors. If you want to switch between different color selection styles, look for the small color mode icon near the top of that page. 2. Style. This is for lighting effects. So instead of a solid color, you can choose effects like flash, fade, strobe, smooth transitions, rainbow modes. Most effects also let you change speed, brightness, so you can make it slow and smooth or fast and aggressive. 3. Music. This mode lets your lights react to music. When you select music mode, the app may ask for microphone permission. Tap Allow while using the app. Now, when music plays, your LEDs will sync with the beat and change colors automatically. 4. Mics of. This is similar to music mode, but it reacts to your voice and sound around you. So, if you clap, talk, or play loud audio, the lights will respond. 5. Timing or schedule mat. This is where you set automatic on, off times. You can create a schedule like lights on at 7 p.m., lights off at 12 a.m. Super useful if you want the lights to run daily without manually turning them on. Step 5. Extra settings. Shake mode. Now, in the top right corner, you'll usually see a gear icon. In there, you may find the shake option. If you turn shake on, then shaking your phone will randomly switch colors or effects. And yeah, those are the basics of the Lotus Lantern app. Once your device is connected, everything becomes easy. Adjust for color, style for effects, music or mic for syncing, and schedule for automation. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video helped you like and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.